just showed you, which we're having a decking. So these deckings, they come in one box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first shelf will be having 2 shelves. So whenever you put them on top, you put them by 2, 2. And then we come into the second box where we have our own uprights. So we have our right upright together with the 2 rubber feet that you can put on the ground so that we can scratch our floors. And then the screws that I come also in the packet. They are both the nuts that we use to assemble our uprights so that it can look nicely. And this one is our left hand side also together with the 2 rubbers so that we mustn't scratch our own floor because we have our tiles and stuff like that. And then we come to our beams. These are our beams that we use to support the decking so that the stuff that we put on the shelf mustn't fall off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you don't receive 8, so please call us, then we can rectify our mistakes. Okay, so I have my right hand side and my left hand side, and my screws are here between me and my Allen key. So now we start on the top so we can get our balance correctly. So we start by the first hole that is there on the top. We need to make sure that everything corresponds. We take out both the nuts. Take my bolt. Need to make sure everything corresponds correctly so don't make any mistakes. You don't need to tighten it too hard because at the end of the day you need to make sure that everything is balanced correctly, or you didn't put it at the wrong part. Now we go to the left one. So we move down to the bottom one, to the last one. And then we go to the horizontal one, or horizontal bar. So with the horizontal bar, we need to skip only one hole on the top. Same way, make sure everything corresponds. Same thing, we take our horizontal again, we go to the bottom. The whole point, they must look at same direction so that they mustn't wiggle around. So same thing, insert the horizontal pole. And then we take the horizontal pole, the one that comes in the middle. So with this one, you need to make sure that you are leaving 2 holes from the horizontal, from the bottom and from the top, so that at the end of the day, you get a nice shape. So now I'm trying to find out which one is my middle one. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go right? So here our shape is correct. Perfect. Then start counting my holes. Checking. The reason why I say you mustn't tie too much so that you can be able to move it around, so that your stuff can come out straight. We need to leave 2 holes from the bottom. We'll do the same thing, leave 2 holes, and then put the horizontal in. Then take another one. And then what I said, count 2 holes, and you put the horizontal in. Everything is done, and then you put your foot at the bottom. Remember our lovely tiles, you need to keep them safe. The same thing, you do on the left, you do on the right. And then after aligning everything at the right position, like the way they are, like what I did now, everything is not tied too tight, it's not too loose. So now you go each bolt, you make sure you tighten it correctly. Now it's time to put in the beams. So our beams comes in 8. So we'll be having 4 different shelves. So now I'm disassembling the beams. So you must make sure everything corresponds at that right angle. My first shelf. And second one. This is now our baking. We're gonna put it on now to complete our shelf. Slide it in. Four level of shelves. It's very strong. It's a 200 kg. We have two types. We have 200 kg and a 300 kg. 300 kg is the heavy one. This one is our light one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it helps.